Some initial content is already provided for you when you order your My Website package. So you may want to take a few minutes and click through the pages to view some of the existing content that's already been added for you. As you move your mouse around on the page, you should start to see different areas of your website kind of pop out. These little pop-outs are called the elements of the page, and that's what builds up your entire website. So to edit one of these elements is really super easy. All you have to do is just click once on the element that you want to change, and a built-in editor is going to load up. So since we clicked on a text element, a little built-in text editor appears, and this is your standard run-of-the-mill text editor. It should look pretty familiar. You can add or remove some text. Just go ahead and type it out. You can then highlight some text if you want to and start changing the formatting. We can center the text. We could make it bold, change the color. You can even add hyperlinks to your other pages of the website, to another section, or even to other websites altogether if you want to link to a totally different website. When you're done with all of your editing, whether it be text or photos or what have you, you always have to remember to scroll down, click the save button at the bottom, and now we can see that our changes have been applied. So the first changes that we made to our website are done already, and that's it. That's pretty much how easy it is to make all the changes using My Website. So now if we decide that the text or even one of these other elements doesn't make sense anymore, we just have to click this trash can button here to delete it, and that'll get rid of it. Just click the delete button again to confirm it, and then it's gone. So now that the text is gone, this would be a good time to demonstrate how to add new elements to the page. And now this menu on the right hand side here, it has a couple different buttons for various functions in your My Website package, but right now we're just concerned with the Insert Elements button. So let's click that button, and then a little side window will pop out and show us all the different elements that we can add to the page. And you can click through some of these categories to see the different options there are for all the different elements. One of the great features that My Website has is that it allows you to actually insert your own HTML code if you're an advanced user and you know maybe JavaScript or something like that, or if you just found some kind of widget on a separate website, maybe something that had generated a code snippet for you and told you to copy and paste it into your website, this is what you would use. So let's click on this widget HTML icon, and instead of just clicking it, we're going to actually click and hold the mouse button down. And as we're holding the mouse button down, we're going to drag the icon over to the page and kind of position it where we want it. You'll see this dotted box up here, and that just kind of signifies where this element will show up on the page. So when you have it positioned where you want to, just let go of the mouse button. The edit window will automatically pop up here, so we can either start, writing some code if we were going to do that, or copy and paste some code that we already have. So I'm just going to paste in some code here that I got from another website, and this is just a countdown timer little module that we're going to put in here. So now that it's pasted in, we just need to click the save button, and we'll get a message that the widget is only displayed in the page view, not in the editing mode. So now we need to exit the editing mode, so we'll have to scroll down, and then we're going to click on this page view link at the bottom. Now this is going to reload the website. It's going to get us out of the editing mode and let us view the website just as if you were any of the other visitors that are eventually going to visit your website. So we can now see that the countdown widget code we added is working, because here's the little countdown module that we added. But if we would decide, now that we've taken a look at it, that we want to put it in a different location on the page, we're going to have to scroll down again, but this time we're going to click on the link for edit page, and that'll take us back into the editing mode. So now we can take our mouse, we'll click the element and hold the mouse button down, and now as we're holding it down, we can move it around on the page until we find a better spot where we want it to go, and then just let go of the mouse button and it'll be repositioned. And then if you want to make some other change to the element, again, of course, all you have to do is just simply click on the element and the little edit window will open up again. Additional help can be found at faq.oneandone.com.